Congressman Chairman Hakop, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Gerald Bakay, you are a classmate of Gerald Karamat, di po ba?
Opo, Mr. Chair.
At pwede naman siya ang nakipag-usap sa iyo para mag-issue ka ng order. Tama rin po ba?
Um, m- May I ask again for the question, Mr. Chair?
Ang tinatanong ko lang, mag-classmate po kayo. Sinagot mo, oo. O pwede kayong mag-classmate, mag-usap. Pwedeng mag-request si Gerald Karamat sa iyo, paki-transfer mo nga itong si Colonel Buyakaw or whoever he is. Di po ba? Pwede yon?
Pwede po, Mr. Chair.
Pwede. Pero pag tinanong ko yon kung nangyari, sabi mo hindi nangyari. Tama?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Now, you are the OIC of DPRM. And as such, you're not the permanent director of that directorial staff. And therefore, you must be more meticulous dahil ikaw ay OIC lamang. Would that be correct?
Correct, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Pero in this instance, hindi ka naging meticulous. Alam natin na sa PNP, orders are given by higher authorities. Correct si Honorable Busita. Verbally and with a document. In this case, sabi mo, may dokumento. Anong sagot mo kay Honorable Busita? Was the order given verbally or documented?
Yes, Mr. Chair. When I was the OIC...
Ano nga, dalawa lang pagpipilian mo eh. Paiwas ka kagad eh. Do not be a lawyer here. Alam kong abogado ka eh. Pero ang tanong ko lang sa iyo, ano, verbal o written yung order na binigay sa iyo for you to issue orders to transfer Colonel Buyakaw?
The order did not came from... I did not receive any order, Mr. Chair.
Eh, why did you sign it? OIC ka.
Yes,
Bakit
Mr.
hindi
Chair.
ka ba dapat nagtanong?
The...
Pwede kang pakainan ng pipirman mo, death sentence mo.
yes, Mr. Chair. I am...
Turo sa kanyan, di ba? Sa law school.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Before you sign or implement anything, mag-imbestiga ka muna kung totoo. And you failed to do that?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. Believe din ako sa iyo, pinagtatakpan mo yung boss mo eh. Sino ba chief PNP nun?
The current Chief PNP now, Mr. Chair.
Yung current,
General Romel Marbil, Mr. Chair.
si General Marbil. O pinagtatakpan mo. O naman no, at tagal natin sa serbisyo, pinagbubula mo pa ako. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Wala tayong quorum eh.